Hello guys, good morning. This is me and on the back again with a new video all the way from Key West, Florida. Today in this video I'm going to explore the water adventure. I booked this trip from Fury and this is the whole day a trip. We are going to the ocean and then try out a lot of water adventure. Let's go. I'm excited. Okay, here we go. I just did the check-in. Now it's time to onboard. We are on the way for onboarding. I'm excited. Finally onboarded on the boat. We are on the way to Key West largest water park. In this water park we'll be doing the reef snorkel, banana boat, jet ski and parasailing. So I booked a full day water adventure tour. It cost me around $160 and I booked it from Fury's website. So we'll be traveling in the boat for about 30 minutes and divide into different groups for the adventure. Finally I'm here and starting my first adventure with the banana ride. Let's go. Here we in our first water adventure, the banana ride. It was fast, really fast, and it was really fun and adventure. Really loved it. So next on the list is parasailing.
Come back down, give me a big X over your head.
So guys, I am up in the air above the ocean and then I can see a very clear, clean ocean down me, and it's super fun to be in the air. I'm really enjoying this adventures. I think you should definitely try parasailing. I don't know about others, so
Ready on my mark.
just landed on the boat. Now it's time to try another adventure. This was really breathtaking. I really loved it. So next on the list is jet ski. It's time to get some instruction from the instructor about handling the jet ski before we hit the ocean. So here we go. We are ready, sitting on the jet ski, ready to start. Here we go. Finally, this was super fun. I really enjoyed the jet ski. We are having a short break, and after a short break, after the short break, we are doing the snorkeling, and this might be little bit difficult as I'm kind of like this is the first time I'm doing the snorkeling. And a lot of instruction before jumping into the ocean. You can see me. Look, I mean, I'm kind of like practicing first, just trying to get used to this gears. I think it's time to dive in. So I am done with this snorkeling. I was little bit nervous before I jumped into the ocean. Even though I know swimming, this was my first time. Literally, it's little bit different than a jet ski or parasailing or a banana ride. Compared to other adventures, this one was little bit tricky. Here we wrap up our water adventures. It's time to race and do the party, and we'll be heading out to the same location where we onboarded. We really had a great time. We are almost at the end of the video. If you're liking this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you again and enjoy the view. Thank you. Bye bye.
We